Well, today is a lake day. Yeah, I'm here Lake Travis. The water is very low, so that kind of sucks, but John, James, Megan, I don't know who else is coming. I think we're just gonna ride on the boat for a bit, and then I don't know what we're gonna get into after that, but that's the plan. Yesterday's vlog kind of ended early. I think I only got footage of us playing disc golf. That's because my GoPro died, and then we went to go eat, and then we hung out at Bobby B, and then I was really tired, so I took a nap and missed the Soul game, and then just went to bed after that. But hopefully today I can get a little more footage. Kind of messed up and didn't bring a certain part for my GoPro, so I'll need to be using phone footage. I don't know how much of the audio I will get from that, but yeah, it should be fun regardless.
By the way, I'll never let these thoughts see the light of day. Please don't run away. Wherever you are, feeling out of place, think I'd rather stay. I wanna stay for a while. I wanna move your way. No, the roof might cave in. All of these snakes in the wild.
Got home like an hour or so ago. Showered, and now I'm gonna start watching the Mavs game. But it was a good time. Like I said before, that group of friends was really fun. And I think I'm slowly starting to become more friends with them, which is good because I need to get out of my shell kind of, slash also more friends from Austin that don't play Frisbee. So yeah, it was a good day on the lake. We didn't wake surf or anything, but we just hung out on the lake and just chilled. So eventually I'm gonna edit this. I don't know when, but that's really it for today. Not really much going on, but it is what it is. So peace.
In the house for a very long time. Never a cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on? Last time I open up, you can't roll with us.